morning, guys. I have somebody waiting for me outside now to make my hair. This girl really disappointed me. Like, she said she was going to come to this house 7:30 this morning. Guess what time is? Past 11. Past 11. Anyways, guys, let me go see her and let's just get this done with. What? Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are fine. How are you doing, guys? Anyways, yesterday when this girl finished my hair, she finished my hair at about past 4. You guys know that she came really late. Careful, please. Anyways, the good thing is that she already drew the attachment before she came, because I already sent her part payment. This is her first time making my hair, and she did not disappoint. I think she ate, but the only thing was that the length of this hair, maybe I'll put a picture of what I wanted here so you guys will see. The length of this hair was totally just different. This hair, this particular hair is the shortest hair I have ever made, if I'm right. Okay, maybe, I think so, yeah, the shortest hair I've ever made, because I made one when I was in school, one short bob like this, but I can't really remember if that one is longer than this one. But I wanted this to be somewhere at least my shoulder, not my neck, my shoulder length. I don't know why Harmattan did not come in December in Port Harcourt. There was a little bit of Harmattan. I thought that was whole. But you see, this January 2025, hi, what is it? This January 2025, it came blasting. I love Harmattan season a whole lot. But this particular season, you guys, tell me why the hair I'm breathing is so dry. Like really dry. I don't like it. It makes me uncomfortable, and if I'm that uncomfortable, you guys, I don't know what my baby is going through right now, but it's fine. It's actually healthy. I asked my husband what he thinks about my hair, and he said it looked like all those children hair that he saw a lot of children in December period, and it was like most of those children meet exactly this type of my hair. I want to put it out here to you guys that this year 2025, you might be getting a different me on my YouTube channel. Not like a total different me, but I'm just going to be trying new things other than my regular vlog. I do not want to absolutely niche down just vlogs alone, because you guys, on this street of YouTube, to be honest, vlogs are amazing content to bring to YouTube channel, but to be honest, I feel like the vlog market is saturated, and I just want to try other things as well as putting out my vlogs here. Just know that we are trying to do different things, and just come up with different ideas, being creative. I just want to put out the other sides of me as well, to just meet our goals for YouTube this 2025. you see the way my edges was looking like, there's anything you should avoid during Ramadan period. Avoid applying edge control on your edges. You guys, when I came back, it was so white. Sometimes because it's a fake one, because I've been using this thing even before Ramadan season, so it's not because it's fake or whatnot. I've actually stayed in Port Harcourt for like 3 years now, and I've never been to this side of Port Harcourt ever before. I don't know what's called again. I've forgotten the name. Maybe when my husband come back, I'll ask. But yeah, you're just going to go out more like you're going towards LMA side. Oimi market, you're going to pass Oimi market down, 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 down. More like I was leaving Port Harcourt. Guess why I went there? They said yam is cheaper there, and of course, it's very, very cheap. Although I didn't get to explore the market much because I wasn't really buying a whole lot of things. I wasn't shopping. I wasn't shopping, so I just went for the sake of I want to know the market, just so I can survey and see if it's worth the hype and all of that stuff. So when next I want to go shopping, I will try. But if you ask me for my opinion, I would say when it comes to food like yam, potatoes, plantain, buying livestock. I used to shop food stuff from my three or my one, depending on what I'm buying. Sometimes I do rumokuta. My cousins they left 2 days ago, was it 3 days ago? They left this house, and yeah, I'm back to juggling motherhood, being a content creator, being a wife, and all of that stuff. Anyways, 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 anyways. Anyways, guys, that's what we do. And this year, 2025, we promised ourselves that we're going to show up on YouTube no matter our schedule. So, yeah, let me show you guys a few things that. Oh, I placed my mic here. I guess you guys can see it. Anyways, ignore. I got this small cabbage for I think was it 300 naira or so. I got okra 1,500 naira because I want to prepare okra soup like right now. Okay, so let me know in the comment section if it's cheaper. Wait till we go do a we go do till we go do anyways. You will follow. I got these potatoes for like 500 naira. The whole of this inside there. I think it's actually worth it. You guys, look at my baby. You guys, my baby is a big boy now. Hey, I have a 8 month old. You guys, very soon my baby will be a year old. Yay! Anyways, what else did I get? I think I got vegetables. I got water leaf. I wasn't supposed to use this now because I am not using this now. I got like this. I got four. I want to prepare water leaf sauce and yam. Let me show you guys the yam I got for 3,000. I got 2 yams. And you guys will tell me in the comment section if it's actually affordable. 3,000 naira. I think it does, anyways. You will get this. Maybe you get it in my theory for like 3,500 or 4,000 naira. Yeah. But he said if I was buying in bulk, he would have given me 2 to 5. So you understand? If I was buying like probably 5 or 10, he would have. But I want to consider nothing. This is 5,000 naira. This bunch of thing that's in right here. The whole of this carrot I got for 500 naira, which I think is really, really affordable anyways. This carrot and the potato, the sweet potatoes, I'm going to be peeling and shuffling them. Maybe I'll just boil it, shuffle them in the freezer. So I'm going to be making my baby food today. God help me. Anyways, I'll make a particular batch today. And tomorrow I'll go out and see if I can get Irish potato as well as broccoli to make a separate batch for his food as well. You guys, you do that sound on TikTok. Help! Oh, Nadade. Nadade, God, I will help me. God help me. Nadade. Oh, help me. Help me. Yeah. The way this man loses his tears and composure when he goes to swallow and draws. Topic for another day. Say hi. Yeah.